Our next story contains footage of hunting. We've investigated hunting from all angles over the years, and we know our audience is deeply divided on the issue. But in the arid Northern Cape, farmers argue they're left with no choice but to solve their wildlife problems through the barrel of a gun. It's easy to be outraged, they say, until you face losing your livelihood to so-called problem animals. It's a controversial subject and one I explored on a trip to the Karoo to meet the jackal hunter. If you have your own solutions to the farmer's jackal problem, we'd love to hear them, so tell us more on our social platforms.
Ek jag al vandat ek op die plaas groot geword het in Transvaal, net voor Klerksdorp. So dit is maar 'n passie.
I'm in the middle of the Northern Cape, just outside a little town called Olifantshoek. Why here, you may ask? This is where I meet a legend, Dani, the Jakkalsjagter. The name Dani du Plooy is known to farmers across the province, from Namakwaland to the heart of the Karoo, and even here on the edge of the Kalahari.
Dani, aangename kennis.
Dani is a professional hunter, specializing in jackal and other so-called problem animals on farms. I love his little camo van. We're spending the day with him to get a glimpse of a world that we often ignore. And like most farm visits, it starts with a tour.
Ek dink nie 'n mens kan op 'n plaas wees en nie groente hê nie. Ja, jy moet groente eet.
From the outset, it is clear that Dani is a man of detail. Everything has its place. So what's in this magic box?
Dis nou jou roepers en die mondfluite en oorbeskerming en batterye.
His custom-made bakkie is kitted with everything he needs for a night out in the veld. That includes lots of warm clothes and a variety of lights.
Baie belangrik is jy moet altyd jou lense beskerm. Want met die voertuig se berei dan krap jou ligte. Ja. En die ligte is taamlik duur.
Al die vir jackals.
Nee, dit vir 'n jakkals.
Here in the Northern Cape, jackals have very few natural enemies and quite a lot of food. Even in the lean years when the veld is bare, farms provide a constant supply of succulent lamb pickings. But why do you hunt jackals?
Dit is maar vir genetiese druk om hulle uit die veld uit te kry. Ja. Om die plaasboer te help om sy produksielyn sterker te maak. 'n Jakkal sal sommer gou in 'n week sit hy 2, 3, 4 skape vang.
It is estimated that in the Northern Cape, 1 out of every 10 lambs under the age of 6 months will end up as a snack for a predator.
Die ongediertes, veral jakkalse, is vir my jaarliks beloop my skade iets tussen 20 tot 40.000 rand. En as jy die winsgrense inreken wat 'n boer het, dan is dit 'n geweldige probleem vir jou.
Johannes Achenbach has been running the 3,600-hectare family farm between Olifantshoek and Kalahari grens for the past 5 years. Keeping the jackals away from his sheep is complicated and costly.
Ons kamp nie ons hele plase af teen jakkals nie. Ons identifiseer sekere kampe in ons plase en dan boer ons daar skaap en dit wil ons beheer.
Where possible, camps are enclosed with jackal-proof or electric fencing, but the jackal always seems to find a way to get at the sheep.
Ons skiet nou maar en ons kry professionele jakkalsjagters in om dit te doen, want dit is vir ons die, kan jy sê, die bekostigbaarste op die oomblik om dit so te doen.
Varminting, or shooting what some people refer to as vermin, like jackal and caracal, is widely practiced on private farmland across South Africa. But not without controversy. For many, it is cruel and unnecessary. But Dani takes pride in this craft. Do you try and do it in the most decent way so that Ian Scoot, dan as they do it, no pain?
Absoluut. Jy moet soek, jy moet identifiseer, jy moet weet waar jou skootplasing is en jy moet weet as jy die skoot trek, is dit die regte keuse wat jy maak.
With the bakkie loaded, it's time to make our way north. It's 80 kilometers on a dirt road and the recent rain poses some challenges. Dani wants to make sure we're early so that there's ample time to calibrate his weapon.
Jou toerusting moet reg wees, jou skietvaardigheid moet baie goed wees.
Hunting at night in lush veld like this means there's no room for error, and he doesn't want to disappoint his client.
Dit is so lekker om vir die plaasboer te sê, of vir die ou vir wie jy jag, hierso meneer, ek het jou 2 jakkalse vir jou uitgeskiet. En dan is dit ook baie sleg partykeer as jy nie die jakkal sou kon kry, om vir die man te sê, maar kyk hier meneer, ek is jammer, ek kon hulle nie kry nie, hulle was te skelm of ek het 'n fout gemaak.
A sly, or scellum jackal, as Dani calls it, is one that knows it is being hunted. Injuring or even missing the jackal will make the next hunt so much more challenging.
Ek het by 'n oom Jan Toon op landplaas, het ek vir amper 2 jaar gesukkel met 1 jakkals wat ek 3 keer misgeskiet het. Omdat sy elke keer op 400-500 meter vir my net nie kans gee nie en daai jakkals het vir my ore aangesit.
Farming is about a lot more than a love of the land. It is how farmers put food on the table and send their kids to school. And like most of us, will do anything to protect their livelihoods.
Ons wil nie hê die jakkals moet uitsterf. Glad nie. Die jakkals het net so reg soos ek om hier te wees. Maar die jakkals moet in sy area wees en ek moet in my area wees, sodat ons kan albei lewe. Jy weet.
Have you tried any other methods to get rid of them?
Ja, ek het vir my Anatoliese herdershonde gekry. En dit werk relatief goed en dan nou saans moet ek my skape op hok laat slaap. Ek kan hulle nooit in die veld laat slaap nie.
And although some of these mitigation measures help, Johannes maintains there are simply too many jackals.
So jackals are not just a problem for farmers in Olifantshoek. Even here, 700 kilometers away and in a totally different environment, same issues.
Ons kry nie geboer saam met die jakkalse nie. Ek sê sommer hulle vreet ons oes op.
Macy and Dani Engelbrecht farm in Namaqualand. With the expansion of conservation land to draw tourism to the area, they're struggling to cope with a thriving jackal population, and they're losing sheep on a weekly basis.
'n Boer se hart kan daai nie hanteer nie. Dis baie erg. Want met hierdie droogtejare, dis al inkomste wat ons het. Ons lammeroeste is minder want ons oeye het gevrek van die droogte.
Here, herding the sheep to a kraal at night is not an option. The farm is just too vast and grazing too little.
Dan moet jy voer koop. Jy moet oor hierdie sleg pad met jou bakkie, moet jy voer aanry van Springbok af wat peperduur is. Ons kan dit nie bekostig nie.
They also cannot afford the additional labor or to electrify their fences.
So hoe maak julle?
Hoe maak ons nou? Gee raad asseblief.
Although Macy says they do not kill the jackals on this farm, Dani, the jackal hunter, has spent many nights on the West Coast plains.
In die Weskus het ek normaalweg 1 elke 3 aande geskiet gemiddeld.
Ja.
Ja. En die meeste wat ek op 1 aand geskiet het, was 7 jakkals.
As the sun begins to set, it is time for the final preparations.
Ek het sommer 'n mobile board wat ek opstel met pale.
Dani uses a high-caliber Winchester rifle with a telescope and rangefinder, specifically designed for varmint and big game.
Gaan jy ons waarsku vir jy skootvat?
Ek gaan definitief.
Baie dankie.
Hy het darm 'n silencer. So hy sal nie 'n baie harde klap geluid maak nie. Ready?
I was not quite as prepared for that as I thought. Satisfied with the calibration results, the rifle and lights are mounted on the vehicle. And just as we set off, Johannes brings us a lamb carcass he just found near the road.
Hierdie is 'n ekstreem geval, gewoonlik het hy minder. Maar hier kan jy sien hy tot sy ribbes regdeur afgebyt, sy bene uitgebreek, alles opgevreet.
We set off into the darkness, searching for the supposed culprit.
So the hunt is now seriously on. There's a searchlight going and doing the rounds and hoping that we might catch a jackal's eyes.
Okay. Wow.
Sit die rooi ligte af.
Af.
Ja. Haal jou voet van die briek af.
I can hear them. sound was loud. And it just came out of nowhere. I think that was the scariest part of it all. When you're sitting in pitch black darkness in the middle of nowhere and you just hear that shot. My heart almost stopped.
As jy 'n jakkals geskiet het, jy kry satisfaksie. Dit is want dit is satisfaksie wat jy gee omdat jy jou werk reg gedoen het. Hy het 'n reg om te leef. Hy het 'n reg om te leef want ons het in sy gebied ingetree met ons boerdery. Maar ongelukkig in elke divisie van werk en sport is daar besering en ongelukkig is die jakkals 'n plaag en 'n probleem.
Thank you for watching our stories here online, and please subscribe below to become part of our YouTube community and be notified when we upload our latest content.